VFC's Travels, Boulder, Colorado. It's been years since I seen my brother and sister after all them years overseas, and I was meeting Louis Rocco for the first time in a year for Thanksgiving, so it was gonna be a great family reunion.
There's no life like the good life. Yeah.
Good times. We had Thanksgiving dinner, we had a few drinks, a little bit of a party. Next day we got up, we grabbed breakfast, and then we went on some hikes. We did the Wonderland Lake Trail, which was a loop that was nice. Everybody was too tired. Me and Louis said, you know what, we're gonna go hike up top there to Mallory Cave. So we got this hike into Boulder, Colorado. Beautiful place, great to meet a family. Yeah, so enjoy. VFC's Travels on YouTube, Boulder, Colorado. No life like the good life. Yeah.
Wonderland Lake Trail on the outskirts of Boulder. Get to take in the beautiful sights of Boulder in the mountains without climbing too high. 1.8 miles, easy. You can do it on a hangover. And the best part is you can do it with family. And you're already up over 5,000 feet with the altitude in Boulder. So here you feel like you've done a little bit of a workout. For us, this was a perfect morning after Thanksgiving and the partying we did the night before. But look how beautiful this place is, Boulder, Colorado. Not that the rest of my family was being soft or whatever, but me and Louis said this 1.8 miles is not enough for us. So we headed up to the National Center for Atmospheric Research there in Boulder up on top of the hill, and you got some nice trailheads into the Flatirons up there.
Yeah, Rocco.
Yeah.
So that's what we did. We were going to hike this Mallory Cave Trail. And here we go. Yeah. Cave Trail through about another 3.4 miles onto our day. 800 foot or so elevation gain. Pretty cool because you could see the rock climbers up there as we were hiking along. The trail goes from the woods, gets a little bit rocky, but you're still in the tree line. The Mallory Cave is a bat cave up there, but it's actually closed off to the public right now to protect the bats. And the last stretch is about 100 foot of a rock climb here. It's not so bad going up as long as the weather's okay and it's not slippy. You can see my chicken legs in action there. But we got up there. Then you gotta either climb over a rock or go through a little hole in the rocks to get to the very top up where the cave is. At first I wasn't sure VFC's chicken legs had any further to go, so Louis went up there, got some pictures of the caves, the cliffs, and the beautiful view of Boulder. Fantastic view of Boulder. But then I said, you know what, my chicken legs can do this. And I decided to head up there too. Beautiful views, photo ops, and then getting down's a little bit sketchy. And we weren't wearing exactly climbing shoes or hiking shoes, just in our sneakers, so it got a little bit slippery. But you know, we got it done. No life like the good life, Boulder, Colorado. Great family time, great place to visit, and yeah. Subscribe, like, and comment VFC's Travels on YouTube.